Maybe you had an interaction where you felt like I didn't spike her emotions enough. She wasn't giggling or laughing and it wasn't interesting or engaging. I'm never gonna see her again. And it's a self-fulfilling prophecy because you confirm that in your reality, to your subconscious mind, to your belief systems, okay? Then you literally manifest a reality where, you know, because you believe there's all these different things that you need to be implementing in your interactions, you don't actually get to see the girls again. What's up guys, here with Alex from Social Freedom. And in today's video, I basically just wanted to give you one really big tip on how you can start drastically increasing your overall results when it comes to meeting women during the day. All right, and this one skill set is conversation. Now, in my opinion, I've found that a lot of other dating coaches or people steeped deep in the dating community or a variety of different gurus that, you know, teach success with women, I feel like they genuinely overcomplicate the entire motherfucking process, okay? They want to teach you a variety of different attraction techniques or like DHVs or like open loops, maybe some routines or again, a variety of different things that you can sprinkle into your interactions to have like the optimal interaction to make sure that you get to see these girls again. Now, don't get me wrong, even here at Social Freedom, we do teach a variety of different social skills and social hacks and structured conversation and a structured process, a step-by-step process that you guys can move through to have more effective interactions, make sure things that are solid, and then to make sure you're either going on instant dates and getting those solid numbers. Yes, that is true. But what I'm trying to emphasize here is that if you guys can learn to be good conversationalists, okay, primarily focus on the fundamentals, okay, of meeting women during the day, this is what's gonna give you the majority, okay, of your success. All these other things that you guys have been learning and focusing on, especially when it comes to, you know, having success with women during the day, they're somewhat irrelevant. They're things or skill sets that you can learn and implement once you have the fundamentals down, okay? And that's like a big thing that we focus on with a lot of our clients that come on either our 5-day immersions or in our 12-week online mentorship program, Unleashed, is we have to actually rewire a lot of these guys' minds and let them know that they actually have the ability just to keep things ridiculously simple, focus on being authentic and just primarily focusing on conversation, okay? I have seen so many guys, so many clients, right, after coming off programs, absolutely fucking crushing it and only learning the absolute bare minimum basics, okay? And again, let me just go through like the basics or the fundamentals, okay, of meeting women during the day. If you can make sure that you are extremely relaxed, okay, you're emotionally grounded, you can make sure that your nonverbal communications or your sub-communications or body language, okay, is pretty much on point, okay? You know how to actually start a conversation in an effective way, okay? Showing some social awareness, some empathy, showing some form of intent, okay? And then actually being able to introduce yourself, start a stimulating conversation, and then move into primarily just focusing on the conversation in of itself, sticking in that interaction for anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes to build a decent amount of investment, okay? Making sure that you're always going for it, ABC, always be closing, going for those contact details, okay? Or alternatively, if the logistics are good and you can potentially move things forward for an instant date, then go for the number. These are the things, okay, that are gonna get the majority of your success. So what I want you guys to start doing is not necessarily focus on all of this different like self-amusement or like DHVs, open loops, attraction techniques. I don't want you to necessarily focus on those things specifically when meeting women during the day. What I want you to do is go back to basics. Focus primarily on the fundamentals, okay? Learn to go up and start a conversation, learn how to show intent, learn how to be relaxed, learn how to have good body language, and just primarily have a conversation with attractive women. And I guarantee you move through this process, okay, this is when you're gonna start seeing crazy results. I remember my friend Brian, okay, as a previous client that just finished our 12-week online mentorship program. I remember him asking me like, Alex, like you've barely taught me anything around, you know, meeting women during the day. You've basically just taught me how to start a conversation effectively and then have a conversation and go for the number. And I said, because it was like week 2, right? And I said to him, I was like, dude, just be patient, all right? I literally want to prove to you, to your mind, your subconscious mind, your belief system, that you actually have the ability to attract amazing women into your life by just keeping things simple, all right? By week 3, he already got his first date. By week 4, He was literally consistently for the rest of the program meeting one girl a week, bringing her into his life, okay? Literally inviting these girls that he'd met just by focusing on conversation and going for the number close or getting her contact details, literally inviting these girls back to his apartment and becoming intimate with them, literally just by following the absolute fundamentals. So what I want you guys to start doing, is just focus on starting the conversation, okay? Primarily focusing on conversation in of itself. Focus on having a conversation in between like 5 or 10 minutes, all right? Going for the number and kind of just see what happens, all right? I feel like within the dating community, again, because everyone makes you feel in this industry that you're always missing something. There's always a new skill set that you can be learnt. There's always new technical skills that you can implement. You always feel like there's something missing within your own personality, okay? Within your own skill sets, within your own social skills. And because of this, you're constantly questioning yourself, thinking that there's something missing. And because of that, you create a reality. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's like, oh, look, this interaction went well, but the thing is I was in interview mode. So there's no way in the world I'm gonna see this girl again, okay? Or maybe you had an interaction where you felt like I didn't spike her emotions enough. She wasn't giggling or laughing and it wasn't interesting or engaging. I'm never gonna see her again. And it's a self-fulfilling prophecy because you confirm that in your reality to your subconscious mind, to your belief systems, okay? Then you literally manifest a reality where, you know, because you believe there's all these different things that you need to be implementing in your interactions, you don't actually get to see the girls again. But I'm here in this video to give you permission, okay? And allowing you to understand that both myself, Ben, okay, and all of our clients, we primarily focus on the absolute fundamentals. We primarily focus on your conversational skills during the day, and our clients absolutely fucking crush it. If you don't believe me, go and check out our testimonials. You can see what these guys are achieving. You know, consistent instant dates, consistent numbers, and even a variety of different guys that are even able to go and meet women during the day and even take them home and become intimate with them. And guess what? I'm honestly not teaching these guys anything that complicated. Don't get me wrong, there's still a variety of different skills you can learn to optimize all of your interactions, okay? Some cheeky little social hacks that we don't generally give away for free, and that's fine, but the fundamentals is what's gonna get you the majority of your success, okay? Conversation. Awesome. All right, if you guys have enjoyed this quick tip video, please leave a like and a comment. It really helps with engagement. It helps build our community. If you have any questions, feel free to either reach out to both myself or Ben, or if you'd like to inquire about our 5-day immersion programs or our Unleash online mentorship program as well, then feel free to send us a message with the word freedom, and then we'll be in contact with you guys and have like a potential discussion about what we could do with you, okay? Awesome. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.